Hello everyone, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States. Merry Christmas everyone! And today is December 25th, so let's talk about the weather today. And let's get straight into it. So, the first thing I want to talk about is our excessive rainfall risk out here for parts of California right now. We actually have a moderate risk in effect for the Los Angeles area for flooding, and we got some slight risk and green risk, marginal. So, if you're in the red, you guys are expected to see some pretty life-threatening flooding, but you need to be aware for flooding if you're in the yellow or green as well. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roadways, as that can be dangerous because most flood deaths occur in vehicles. So there will be excessive rainfall likely today, and if you're over here in California, it literally goes up all the way up here into the Eureka area. So this is going to be pretty dangerous. It can also cause mudslides and road closures, so make sure to keep that in mind as well. But if we go to tomorrow, on December 26th, there's still going to be a little chance for excessive rainfall in parts of Los Angeles. But on December 27th, then we don't have any risks anymore. So that's our excessive rainfall outlook. So we do have a marginal risk today for severe weather, where we could have a chance to see tornadoes. So if you're inside of this green, you have a higher chance to see a tornado, as this thing is close to a kind of a low pressure system, and we can see some spin up tornadoes as well as water spouts. We do have a wind risk, so where we could see severe thunderstorms, and no hail risks. So hail is a low chance, but there's a chance that we could still see some hail. The next thing I want to talk about is our snowstorm. So let's talk about our snowstorms up next. Do you live inside of any of these highlighted areas right here? Well, if you do, you could probably see a winter storm today. As we're going to be seeing some winter conditions today, if you're out there inside of that risk area that I just showed you, you can see that we got some snow currently developing over parts of Canada right now, and that's expected to make its way down into parts of the United States. You can see right here, this is the snowstorm right up here, and that's expected to make its way down into the United States. So if you're in any of these highlighted areas, this is what the future radar is going to be looking like for today. So this is what it will be looking like at 8 p.m. today. See that there's some ice in there as well, and then there will be some snow impacting the area. So it looks like at 11 p.m. today, and then it will eventually start going a little bit east as we get into the 26th. So this is definitely something to be watching for, and yeah, it's expected to also cause some slick roads as well in parts of these areas, and some snow. So make sure to be aware for that, and we actually do got winter weather advisories out here and ice storm warning. So if you're in parts of Pennsylvania, you guys are going to be seeing an ice storm on the 26th, especially if you're in western Pennsylvania, like near Pittsburgh. You guys are going to be seeing an ice storm out of this snowstorm. So that will be pretty dangerous for the roads that are out there. So yeah, after this snowstorm passes through today and tomorrow, it'll be quiet for a little while. It'll be quiet on the 27th for a little bit until the early morning hours of the 28th. We will see some rain form and see some scattered rain showers across parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and parts of Wisconsin, as well as some snow up there in Canada and parts of northern Michigan will be a possibility. This is for the 28th, and that's going to rapidly come together and cause some rain all over Ohio and parts of Pennsylvania and New York. The main thing will be in the nighttime of the 29th. Well, the nighttime of the 28th, and then that will cause some snow as well. It's mainly going to be a northeast impact, though. Otherwise, if you're any further down south, you guys are going to be seeing some of the rain. But this is just a little New Year's winter storm that could possibly cause some, some slick roads, and it could actually also trigger, it could also trigger lake effect snow. And then there is a small little chance that we could see another little winter clipper come down on January 1st. And then everything becomes uncertain any farther than that. You can see right here we have a heat dome in the United States right now, meaning that we are seeing above average temperatures for multiple of you guys. So this is we're expecting above average temperatures for a while. until we fast forward to the future, and you can see we could see an Arctic blast actually on the 29th and push some cold air back down to the United States. And then winter will probably come back, but still might stay above average for some of you guys. But a big part of the United States will probably be seeing a little bit colder temperatures on the 29th. And this is all I got for you in today's weather video. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next weather video. Make sure to stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.